So this would have been the trade in the Nasdaq on the non-farm payrolls. We've got peak formations in place, consolidation. Now the structure here really would have been the high, so up there, right, and turning resistance. Next structure over here. The next one all the way down here. And look at that, break of that structure, break of the prior days. Right, okay, so what's the rule? First bounce. So one minute. What have we got? Peak formation, engulfment, pins are up, more engulfment, take the trade. One bar stop. And where are we headed? We are headed back to life, back to reality. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. Big topping formation. Back to life, back to reality. So there's a week's low. We'll head into here. Whatever you want it, whatever you need it, however you want it. So, I mean, that's a pretty chunky. Let me get in here. Back to life, back to reality. Show me how. What am I doing? I read the world. I read Smash. Right to the target. Look at that. Incredible. And that was at this pins. So, what would that have been? What would that have been on the day? Have some of that. Same thing for the S&P. I'm on it. Up we go next week.